Most people don't realize this, but the location of your doors and windows can make or break your interior design. And by the time you notice, it's often too late. Hi, I'm Naseema Khatun, your architect and interior designer. And in today's video, I will be reviewing this layout plan for you all. One of our viewers from YouTube channel approached me to review this architectural layout plan for him and also wanted me to check the location of this doors and windows, if it is working with the interior or not. So let's start. It's actually a farmhouse and the size is 32 feet by somewhere around 30 feet. And what are we having here? This is your veranda. This is your main entry. You have your washroom over here. The client wanted to have separate WC. So it is having a wall over here, a partition. Now you have your entry over here and this is your drawing dining area. This is your kitchen and this is your bedroom. Architecturally, you can see it is having a window over here. This is window. This is having a window in the kitchen and your drawing dining area is also properly ventilated. But let's see what is not working as per interior. Let's start with the steps over here. See, steps like this, we have to create a railing, which is not a good side. See, this is your entry. It's your land and you have ample amount of space. So if you can create something like this, it is going to give a better look than a step like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create steps like this. Maybe you can create your planter bed over here. Now once you enter, you have a door here and this is your wash basin. Maybe wash basin for the dining area, it must be a client's requirement, but it is actually not good to place it over here because this is right at the entry. What is a better location for this? I can place it over here and what I will be seeing, one good mirror here and a beautiful vanity. So rather than placing it over here, I am going to put it here. Another thing what I see, this is my sofa and this is my TV, fair. Now what is happening? My window is here. So I cannot create a focal now. Because of this window, my wall is not going to give a pleasing sight. So I would like to change the location of this window. Secondly, what I see, this is my dining area, which is fine. Now, after placing my vanity over here, my window location is not going to be symmetrical. So I would like to give my window a symmetrical look. In my kitchen, my window is right in front of the hob because this is the east. And hob is going to be here. So window location is not working for me. So I would like to change the location of the window. In my bedroom, what is happening? This is my wardrobe. So it's not having a TV. Maybe it must be a client's requirement. But keeping my wardrobe like this and my room size is 12 feet 3 inches. This is going to give my room a compact feeling. I would rather like to place my wardrobe over here. So this window is also going. Another thing what I see, this is my opinion, I never open a bedroom's window in the conversation area. Like this is my veranda. People are going to enjoy and sit here. So a bedroom window opening here, this is a big no for me. Let's discuss the washroom now. Now this is the entry for the washroom. This is the WC area. This is the wash basin. Now my shower is coming right in front of the door. If it is a small washroom, you don't have any other space, it can be done. But for a washroom like size is somewhere around 8 feet by 10 feet. This is not working. So I would like to give them a proper shower cubicle if it is possible. So let's see how we can achieve each and everything here. Now let's discuss in my opinion what is going to be a better option for this architectural layout plan. Now you have your entry over here, which is fine. Now I will remove my vanity like I've told you from here and I'm going to place it here. This is my vanity. Now this is my TV unit, it is fine, it's working. Now my window is going to be like this. This is my window. I'm going to place my sofa like this. This is going to be 2 accent chairs. And the window, now I'm having a focal wall here to work with. This is my designer wall. Or I can place my window like this and this can be my wall. See, this depends on how you're working with the space. So if you want to give them ample amount of light, because this is north, so indirect lighting will be perfect. So I would like my window to be bigger. So I'm going to keep my window like this bigger wall for the window. And my another window is here. This is also one huge size window. This is east. So I can invite morning sunlight from here. So these two are going to be my window location for this area. For my kitchen, I'm going to remove this kitchen window from here and I'm going to place my window here. Now it can be full size window. I can stop my platform like this and can be a full size window from floor to ceiling, or I can continue my platform like this and will create a window above the counter. So it totally depends on your design, but this can be a better option because now you are having a proper space for the hob. Now this is a proper space for the hob. You can get ample amount of storage. For the bedroom, I'm going to remove this piece of furniture and place a wardrobe like this. Now this is my wardrobe. I can create a good focal point here. Now I'm going to create two symmetrical windows from side, and this is going to be my poster bed because this is a farmhouse. Then definitely it's going to be a poster bed. And here I can create a focal wall, a simple wall over here, and this is going to be my bed. I'm going to close this window. Like I've told you, window opening in the veranda, a big no for me. This is my TV and dressing cabinet. So this is how my furniture is going to be here. Now coming to the WC area. See, I want to give them a shower cubicle like I've told you. So this is going to be my shower area. This is somewhere around 8 feet. So I am going to take 3 feet 6 inches minimum, and for WC I am going to create a glass partition over here. This is my glass partition and this is my WC. So I can take 3 feet 6 inches or 4 feet and create a good shower area over here. For the window, I can keep my window here and I can keep a ventilator above the wash basin. So this is my wash basin now. This is a good focal area once you enter. So now your layout is clean. Now you have separate WC area, a separate shower cubicles. So your dry area and wet area are easily segregated now. And this is my wash basin, a good focal once you enter. Now at the entry, for the veranda, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create my furniture like this. So this can be my swing. This is my table and I can place my chair like this. So this is how I'm going to place my furniture, and because my furniture has been placed, now the window's location has been shifted. So this is my window, this is my window, this window has been gone. I have a window over here. This is my window and this window has been slightly shifted. This window is gone, this window has been added for the kitchen. So this is the layout that I would have created for this architectural layout plan. If you have some query, write down in the comment section. I would love to answer that. And also let me know if you have some more ways by which you can improvise this layout plan. See, I keep sharing these kind of informative, practical videos on a regular basis. Consider subscribing. If you like the video, thank you so much for watching and you will see my next video soon. Bye.